Hello! Yes, and welcome to our Objective 5.4 sample problems, where we're going to practice some more using synthetic division. So let's dive right in. Remember, with synthetic division, we can only do it if our divisor is a linear binomial with a leading coefficient of 1. So all of these are going to fit that criteria. If anything else, we would have to use long division. So remember, to find what goes in the box, we just put our divisor equal to 0 and solve. We find x equals -9. So -9 is going to go in our box here. Take our coefficients, 1, -1, -93, -28, and -10. All right, and make our lines here. Drop our first one. Bring down the 1. -9 times 1 is -9. -1 minus 9 is -10. -9 times -10 is positive 90. -93 plus 90 is -3. -9 times -3 is positive 27. -28 plus 27 is -1. -9 times -1 would be positive 9. -10 plus 9 is -1. Now remember, it's always 1 degree less, so this one would be x to the third minus 10x squared minus 3x minus 1 plus -1 over x plus 9, and that would be our quotient. Very nice. Let's look at letter B here. So this time x plus 4, so that means x is going to equal -4, and that's what goes in my box, the 0 of that factor. We list our coefficients. Now this one was nice, doesn't have any missing, all in standard form here. Drop my first one, 1. -4 times 1 is -4. 8 minus 4 is 4. -4 times 4 is -16. 15 minus 16 is -1. -4 times -1 is positive 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. -4 times 5 is -20. 26 minus 20 is 6. So 1 degree less would mean x to the third plus 4x squared minus x plus 5 plus 6 over x plus 4. Gorgeous. All right, let's look at letter C here. So x minus 3, so that means x would equal positive 3. That's what goes in our box. We have 7, -20, -7, and 19. Create our order here. Let's scroll up a bit more, give it some more space. So we start by dropping down the 7. 3 times 7 is positive 21. -20 plus 21 is 1. 3 times 1 is positive 3. -7 plus 3 is -4. 3 times -4 is -12. 19 minus 12, 7. So we're 1 degree less, so our quotient would be a quadratic 7x squared plus x minus 4 plus 7 over x minus 3. And there would be our quotient. All right, final one. Look at the degree on this one, a 5th degree polynomial. That's okay, we can make it work. We'd say x plus 8 equals 0, so x equals -8. That's what goes in our box here. So we have 1, 10, 7, -81, -70, and 20. Wow. So since this is a 5th degree polynomial for our dividend, our quotient will be 4th degree. Let's start by dropping our 1. -8 times 1 is -8. 10 minus 8 is 2. -8 times 2 is -16. 7 minus 16 would be -9. -8 times -9, that would become positive 72. -81 plus 72 would give me another -9. -8 times -9 is still positive 72. -70 plus 72 would be positive 2. -8 times 2 would be -16. 20 minus 16 is 4. So again, 4th degree for this one, so it would be x to the 4th plus 2x to the 3rd minus 9x squared minus 9x plus 2 plus 4 over x plus 8. And that, my friends, would be our quotient. And this was our sample problems for synthetic division. Hopefully we're feeling pretty confident with these. Go ahead and get started on those practice problems if you can. This is Mr. Carter signing off. I'll see you next time.